The ramp now comes alive to Era, a spring-summer 2023 collection. A unique blend of avant-garde and powerwear, the collection resonates a nurturing aura. As we know, in this modern world, a human being craves for everything high-tech and innovative, overlooking the damage it's causing to the planet. It's high time we begin to contributing for the good of the planet and regulating a sustainable present and future. It's time to get back to our roots. Dabo is a traditional resist-dye hand-block printing of Rajasthan. This craft is done mainly in indigo, but the young designers have tried to keep it rooted and have chosen earthy tones to give the craft a new dimension. In many cultures across India, the banana flower is considered to have the power to ward off bad omen and is considered to be auspicious. Its versatility and uniqueness in design inspired the team to design a collection which has elements of avant-garde and is as powerful as our Indian heritage. The main focus is to be connected to our roots and be sustainable in nature. Designers Shikha Tripathi, Shruti Kumari, Pratiksha Shinde, Bhavna Sonone, Sweeti Kumari, Manali Pesolkar, Trupti Raut, Tejasvi Ahirao, Rajlakshmi Khuge, Isha Deshpande and Shubhangi Bhosle take center stage now with Era. Ladies and gentlemen, for the collection era, please welcome on stage our young designers, Shikha Tripathi, Shruti Kumari, Pratiksha Shinde, Bhavna Salone, Sweetie Kumari, Manali Pisolkar, Trupti Raut, Tejasvi Ahirao, Raj Lakshmi Koge, Isha Deshpande, and Shubhangi Phosle. And we would like to acknowledge our artisan who collaborated on this collection, Mohammad Yasin Chippa.